Remember, jump in front.
In this video, we're in Guadalajara, Mexico. We go on a tour, a hiking tour, a dangerous, treacherous hiking tour to a waterfall. Now, this one I'm proud of. Follow along.
Hey, you watching, man? Right now, you're watching dcbornrob on YouTube.
Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever it is you're located. Thanks for watching. My name is Rob Christian, also known as DC Born Rob, DC Rob, Rob. I answer to them all. Thank you guys for watching. Again, we are in Guadalajara, Mexico. We go on what I would consider a dangerous hike and climb and jump and a little bit of everything. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This was one of my most stressful experiences that I've ever had. Catherine did it with me, and I think we both agree on this one. But if you ever get any benefit out of my videos, do me a favor, go down and hit the subscribe button, click the bell to be alerted of any new videos, and like helps the YouTube algorithm. The more you hit like, the more people get to see these videos. Let's just jump into this experience. We're back in another Uber, and we are headed this time to where?
Guadalajara Waterfalls.
So we don't know if we're just going to see the waterfall or if we're going to get in it. We brought extra clothes. We don't really have swimming trunks, so we'll see if we get in or not. But we're on our way. Another trip. It's our last day. The last day here. People out selling food now is like a guy with a bowl. I ain't eating out of no guy with a bowl. I ain't going to do it. So that's a banana and bread. Mixing bread. That's it. Bread and water and banana morning. Got an overlook on the side of the road. Now there's a place to get a house. We came the road over here. We just put on our sunscreen, took a picture up on the rock, came down a loop-de-loop, and we're ready to go. And the cascades that way, downhill and back up. Yeah, I just saw it. Our guide is paying, I guess, to get in. And here's the entrance. And here's the waterfall. Beautiful. It looks a little small today. So we're gonna get wet. We just started and there's a bunch of people in front of us. Ooh, if we'd have beat them by 30 minutes. This is cool. This will be my first hike to a waterfall. Okay. It's getting real. Solomon's. Okay, I need to put this away. Is this the first waterfall?
Yeah.
Nice, this is nice.
Jump everyone from there to there.
I can do that.
Yeah, just be careful with your head.
Yeah.
You're coming back, it's like, man, God, why did I came? Please kill me.
Okay, so I'll say it's a little more difficult than I thought. It's just slippery. The footing is just crazy. And my date doesn't have hiking shoes. but we're still at it. Oh, the sun is cooking. The sun's working today. Looks like the next group is coming up on us. Come on, battery, don't let me down. We're at about 16,000 feet. No, just kidding. This must be the horse, yeah. Oh, cool. Cows, okay. So when you see the green, you know we're getting close. And I can hear it.
From that waterfall is the one where you could jump from 36 feet tall.
Ooh, okay. Feeds off of it.
It's just at the
This is the part that I don't like, going down. I'll go up, but down.
no. It is getting challenging. It's a slow crawl for the waterfall.
Now it is the biggest part.
Oh, now it's getting tricky?
You need to look for the stones or the roots of the trees. Try to skip on it, because if you try to grab the dirt, you can slip.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And before, that was a trail. Yeah, so it was quite nice when you come back. Here's when I told you to go walking by the side, not like in front, go walking by the side. It will be
Why can't I go that way? Where the rock?
want all the mission, todos los que
That's
llevan a
too
Roma.
slippery.
Okay.
I'll go this way.
How is the phrase in English? Like, all the roads take Rome?
Fall.
It's rough. It is rough. But we're making it.
I love before. I got the wall of water.
Ooh, nice. Okay. Nice.
No, keep on moving. Yeah, look the roots of the tree. And every time you step on the middle of the wheel, not on the side, please.
Did you see this?
You can
walk,
feel
like
it.
I told you, by the side, not going
Middle of the wheel.
Do you already want to walk?
Not yet. Oh, wait till I get there.
Yeah, the water wall. Oh, there's a waterfall at the bottom. So we're almost there. Good, keep it. That's beautiful.
Go, like I told you, by the side.
To the first one. We're not alone. And somebody's smoking. Oh, look at this.
How deep is it?
This one,
20 meters. 20 meters deep?
What speed? Go in the water?
So we're gonna go up and over and around and end up at the other one where we can jump. I have fear of heights, so that means I have to do it. Oh, I think my knees are shaking. My legs are shaking. Bye. Go under?
Got it.
You're shorter than me. Why not just go under? Well, I'll go under. That was easy. So this is a jump, and now I was gonna do it, but
we could go all the way down there and you can jump from there. It's like, like 18 feet tall. And from there it's like 9 feet tall.
okay, yeah, 9 foot sounds good.
That one looks better. Sounds better.
This, yeah, I'm not, no, yeah, I don't need to conquer this fear today. Not today.
I know, I've been recording him. Much cooler if we like step on this. Oh, somebody jumped too. I want to record somebody jumping. Come on.
Oh no, he's making it look kind of deep. That's more than 9 feet. That's about 20 feet.
What, that?
Yeah.
No. That's like...
Okay, I'm 6 foot tall. Are you saying that's 4 feet tall?
Really, but that's
Uh-huh.
so difficult.
Okay.
If you want, I can take up. First step. Yeah, the first step is to put it on your left. Right.
You're right.
Right one. There's some rocks over there. You can put it over there. And try to grab the. Yeah. Sorry. I left you a piece of cake.
Sí.
Okay, that one is the key.
We're gonna jump at some point.
Recuerdo para Rob, ole tus cojones. Ole tus cojones. No se puede hacer zoom. No puedo. Graba. Remember, Rob. Nice. This is recording.
Okay, remember, jump in front.
One,
Wait.
1.5,
Oh, I did it. It took some nerves. I did two. One from that side and then one from up there. Yeah. Subscribe now.
Good job, boss. He was like quite afraid.
Headed back. Still in. Traffic jam.
Torres. Le damos una foto, no te recuerdo, güey. Okay. Te llevo.
Still in. The struggle is real. This part's beautiful. I'm guessing we're about 80% back. Oh, we did it. We did it. It was a total of 15 miles. We're at about 12,000 feet.
Pues esta es la zona, el lago de Pátzcuaro.
We did it. We made it. This is the beginning. Chelas. We did it. One of the most difficult things I've done. The nerve to jump and then just the hike itself was rough. I'm glad we did it. This has highlighted a trip. This was a trek. I would advise anybody to do this though. You've never been to a waterfall hike. Absolutely intense, sketchy, and then you go with your girl too, so you got to worry about her and she's not wearing hiking boots. But now I'm happy that there was an extra person because he was able to help us on both sides, so we knew that we wouldn't get stranded or anything. But this was awesome. Best part of the trip. Best part of the trip. Just getting back from our trip. We're actually with our tour guide. Edgar, you want to tell them how today went?
Oh, it was amazing. We went to some waterfalls that they're called Huaxtla. They're only known by people from here, from Guadalajara. And if you want to come in anytime, just check the YouTube and call me.
Yeah, I'll make sure the description, his information is in the description of the video up there. So appreciate you coming with us, tourists. And Catherine, she made it. This was rough. We just got out the car and man, it hurts. So this was a good trip. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
With pleasure. And if you want to come anytime, I can show you more parts of my city.
We'll be back. We'll be back. Okay.
So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you go down and hit subscribe. And definitely like. It helps that YouTube algorithm. You know what I'm talking about? See what I'm saying?
Join me on social media. I am dcbornrob official on Instagram. I am dcbornrob official 1 on TikTok. I am dcbornrob O on Twitter. Don't be like this guy right here.
You're just so stupid. I had to send you a video to let you know that you're so stupid.
That's right. Don't be like this guy right here. Join me on social media.
We have a YouTube channel. Like it.
Please comment and share if you like the video. Please subscribe and kick the bell.
How is it?